I am Millie. Welcome back to Live It Up with Mills. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. If you're new here or if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Also, please do hit on the bell icon below to be notified about all my future updates. Now, without further ado, let's jump into today's video. In today's video, I wanted to share a mini haul from Earth Rhythm. Rhythm is an Indian brand which promises cruelty-free, eco-certified, paraben-free, sulfate-free, fragrance-free products. Now, these skincare products are much hyped on YouTube and on internet sites, and they were having this huge discount on their site, I think 50% off. So I thought, why not give it a try? So let's start with the products. Now, I got the products in this huge box from Earth Rhythm. It's quite a haul. And the first product here, so I got 5 products. I'll start with the first one, which is the Renew Overnight Gel. Now, this is with 70% snail mucin. The reason I wanted to try out the snail mucin product is because ages back, I had used one snail mucin product from I think Thailand, and it was really good. So this is how the outer packaging looks like. I will put the pricing as well as the discount pricing on the screen. So this is the outer packaging and this is the inner packaging. The packaging is quite nice. It's a glass bottle and it's got an airtight pump. So the pump is also nice. Now just to show you the consistency, it's kind of thick and slimy, somewhat what you would expect snail mucin to be. So I'll just put some over there just to show you the consistency. It's colorless and it very quickly absorbs into the skin. So if you see, it's almost gone. It leaves your skin nice and moisturized. So I have oily skin and I found this to be quite suitable for my skin. Since they have called it an overnight gel, I have been using it at night time over my skincare actives and it's been working quite well. So all these products I have been now using for I think about 10 days. So it's not only a first time reaction but also somewhat of a review after using the products. Moving on to the next one, so I would definitely say that this is a good product. Moving on to the next one, this is their Phyto Clear Oil Free Moisturizer. This is how the outer packaging looks like. And there were very tall claims on the site about this product. This product is made from Centella asiatica, horsetail and sage extract. Centella asiatica is considered to be a product which has a number of skin benefits. So, and it also said that it would be suitable for oily skin, and I thought why not give it a try. This is how the inner package looks like. Again, it's a glass bottle and it's a very beautiful package. It's a very nice one to keep on your dressing table. It looks very nice. Again, it's got a stopper and airtight pump. Now I'll show you how the consistency of the product is. So this product is thicker than the last one. It's white in color, but even this gets absorbed quite easily. Definitely much more moisturizing and thicker than the last product, but it still gets absorbed quite fast. So I can still feel it. It's still sticky to the touch, but not too sticky. However, when I used this the first couple of times, I had few breakouts. Now, whether those breakouts can be attributed to this or not, I don't know. So I have been a little skeptical about this product. I haven't tried it out as much as the last product, so can't really give a review of how it's working. But so far as a moisturizer is concerned, yes, it does moisturize your skin. Now, moving on to the next product, and this product I loved. This is their lip mask. This is how the outer packaging looks like, and this is the inner tube. It's a nice tube, and the product is really good. Now this is how it looks. This is how the product looks, and it is a very thick lip moisturizer. So if you have chapped lips, it is like a mask, so best used overnight. I use it at night because during the day it would be too much, and if you want to apply lipstick or lip liner over it, it kind of will move because this is very sticky and very thick, but very good for overnight treatment. I think this can be compared to the Laneige lip mask, and I quite like this. I think I could replace my Laneige lip mask with this. Moving on to the next product, and this is their Pour Out face mask. This is how the outer box looks like, and this is the inner package. Now the packages, as I've shown you earlier, it's really lovely, very aesthetically done. Again, it's a glass bottle with a plastic cap, and this glass bottle, as you can see, has got this lovely pumpkin color. Now this mask, I'll show you how it looks. So this is how the consistency of the mask looks like. I'll put some on my hand just to show you how thick it is. It is like a really thick mask. It is smooth and creamy and thick. So this one promises, it's made with pumpkin enzymes and glycolic acid, and it promises to reduce your pores. I have used it a couple of times and I quite liked it. So you have to put it on for about 20-25 minutes and then wash it off. I quite liked it, and I think this is quite a nice product. Moving on to the final product, and this is a tinted lippy from them. So they had a number of tinted lippies in a number of nice shades, and I selected this one. This is the outer packaging, and this is how the inner box looks like. It's a metal box, and this is the color. So it says Pucket. I don't know whether that is the name of the color or whether that is there on all of their lip balms. Now it's a twist open kind of an opener, and this is how the inside looks like. I am wearing it currently, so it is this shade. It is quite tinted, and like the color is very saturated, so I didn't have to do too much of application. I just swiped my finger once and patted it on my lips, and this is the color which I have got. It's moisturizing also. It's not at all drying, unlike some of the lip tints which are pretty dry. This one is very moisturizing. I think this can also probably be used as a cheek tint, but frankly I didn't try, given that it was so moisturizing and I have oily skin, so I'm afraid of having breakouts. I don't think this color will last very long, so this will require frequent reapplication, but otherwise it's a nice product. Those were the products. I hope you liked it. I liked most of the products except for the Phytoclear oil-free moisturizer. If you have used any other products from them and if you like them, please do leave it in the comment section below. See you next week with a fresh new video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and very happy Navratri and Durga Puja. Bye.